Hey y'all, welcome back. I am super duper excited about today's video because if you guys don't know, which I'm sure all of you guys do know, Kathleen Lights has teamed up with Colourpop again and she created a cute little holiday collection. I got two things from the collection. These are the only two things that really caught my eye. Everything else I felt like I pretty much had, or I felt like Colourpop has already released, so I wasn't too pressed to get it, but I did get two things and I did just want to share it with you guys. You could see my thoughts on it and maybe that'll sway you. I don't know, who knows. I've loved pretty much all of Kathleen Light's collaborations that she's done with Colourpop. I do wish that Colourpop would kind of branch out and collab with other influencers as well, but I do enjoy all of Kathleen Light's collections. So the two things I picked up was a Super Shock Shadow. This is in the shade Blitzen, I think it's called. I love the packaging on these products as well. I think it's very, very cute. And I did pick up a lip gloss. This is in the shade Night Life. Once again, I think the packaging is really, really, really pretty. I'm going to be trying these products on. First, I'm going to be starting off with the Super Shock Shadow. I have absolutely nothing on my eyelids. It is bare and raw. That's what she said. So the shade Blitzen and the Super Shock Shadow caught my eye because I was watching Kathleen Lights kind of debut this collection and I was like, oh, I need that color. I felt like I didn't have a Super Shock Shadow in that color and I just thought it was really, really gorgeous. So I am very excited to use this. This is how it looks. It is like a red color, but it does have a shift on it. Now I have not swatched this because I wanted it like bare for you guys to see exactly how it looks, and I kind of just want to make this like a whole one eye kind of look. I don't even want to use any other shadow except this one because I want to show you guys how it looks true to the eye color with nothing on my eyelids, and I just want to like do a one shadow look. I'm going to apply this with my index. Is this the index finger? The index finger. I'm just gonna swirl in here. It is so gorgeous. Wow, it's really, really, really gorgeous. Look at that. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. That looks like Christmas lights and everything jolly and holly. It looks so pretty. I love this. Kathleen Lights always does an amazing job with her collections. I feel like that's a main reason Colourpop really always collabs with her, because her collections are really thought out and I could appreciate that. And she loves Colourpop. I do want them to reach other influencers though. I would love to see a Messy Jessie collaboration. I love her and she loves them. And Colourpop loves her. Like, make that happen, Colourpop. I would also love to see a J Kissa collab. Oh my god, I love J Kissa. Okay, so this is a very, it's like a sparkly, it's like a strawberry shortcake color. It's like a very sparkly red pink. It is an ultra metallic. It is really, really, really pretty. I knew I would like this shadow when she swatched it on her channel. I just knew I would like it. It's so me. Even on its own, like, it's packing the punch. Like, look how freaking pretty this is. Wow. So I'm just gonna take this blending brush and I'm just gonna blend this out. There's nothing on this blending brush. Just gonna kind of blend it out a little bit. The Super Shock Shadow was $5 if I did not state that, which I don't think I did. Super Shock Shadow is $5 like all of their other Super Shock Shadows, and she's gorgeous. So I really, really like this. Now I do have this, like I said, alone with nothing else on the lid, but I think it would look even prettier if it was something else on my lid. But I really wanted to test it out by itself first. I just grabbed a smaller brush and I'm just gonna take that Super Shock Shadow and dip this brush in here and put that in the lower lash line. Wow, how freaking stunning is this Super Shock Shadow? I think that this is so freaking stunning. Like, this is so gorgeous. It looks like soda pop. Like, I don't know, it's so freaking gorgeous. Like, this color, I'm super here for it. Like, here for it. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the lip gloss. So I actually did already try the lip gloss on yesterday when I got my package, so I already actually know how it looks on my lips bare. I will say I didn't really like how it looks on my lips bare. I felt like it was a little too frothy. I don't know if it maybe just looked that way because I didn't have on makeup yesterday when I tried it, but I was just like, no, this is something I'm either gonna have to wear with a lip liner or like a lipstick or something, not by itself. But first I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Espresso Brown lip liner. Then I'm going to apply this like peachy nude lipstick. This is the Dose of Colors Desi and Katie lipstick in the shade More Creamer Please. Okay, so now for the lip gloss. I'm in love with the packaging on this lip gloss. I think it looks so freaking stunning, stunning, stunning. And this is once again in the shade Nightlife, and let's put her on. So this is my first time trying this lip gloss with like a lipstick and lip liner on. Look at that. Stunning. Stunning. It is like a deep brown, but it has these shimmers of like purple and pink. That's freaking stunning. I love this lip gloss. I think this is very, very, very brown girl friendly. Oh my god, I think that's stunning. So I'm gonna really quickly add some mascara because I don't have mascara on, and then we're gonna continue with this little escapade. All right, so we got our mascara on. I feel like a new woman. I feel like mascara just makes me feel amazing. I'm gonna go into my Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette. I'm gonna take this gold shade called You're Grounded, and I want to put that as an inner corner highlight. That is it. That is my full face. I love both of the things I got. In her collection, Kathleen Lights did come out with a foursome of Super Shock shadows. So she came out with 4 shades. She also came out with a matte lipstick. I think that one is red. She also came out with a Ultra Satin lip, and I think that one's like a nude color. And then she has this gloss. So I think that's everything in her collection. I think this lip gloss is really, really, really gorgeous. I think this is going to be one of my go-tos now. I've been in love with lip gloss, and I feel like lip gloss has really made a comeback as well, and the lip gloss was $6. Super Shock shadow I really, really, really enjoy. I think it's very unique. I feel like Colourpop doesn't really have a color like this. I want this on my eyes all the time. How freaking stunning is this? That is my Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Twinkling Lights collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like it if you like this video. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one.